Hello, my favorite squad. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use f strings. F strings in list. So using f strings in a list, this is also a kind of string manipulation methods that we can use in our list. For example, this is our list, that is menu, ice cream, noodles, chicken, juices, momos, etc. Now, if you want to use like, so you want to say, for example, I'm just using this comment, like you want to say, uh, for me, ice cream is delicious than juices. Okay. So you want to say this particular sentence. You want to print this thing. So how can you do that? Using f string. So I'm just using print, and here I'm using double quotes. So I'm just using for me, ice creams, ice cream is delicious than juices. I have just written the same string inside a double quote. Now, what you can do is in front of double quotes, you have to use small f so that you are able to use f string. F is nothing but format. I have already explained this concept of f string in my previous videos. If you are someone who is watching this video for the first time, go to the playlist and you can just check out all the videos before watching this video. Okay, so now instead of using ice cream directly, what you can do is we can replace this particular text with this particular element. So how to do that? I'm just doing uh, I'm just removing ice cream. Instead of that, I'm just creating a curly braces. Inside curly braces, I'm passing my variable name, that is menu. Inside that, I have to pass the element. What is the element index here? That is 0. This is the element index. Now, delicious is fine, than, and juices. So instead of juices, I can easily pass this particular element. So I'm just removing juices here. I'm using curly braces again. I'm using my variable, that is menu. Inside the square brackets, I want to pass this particular index. So instead of passing it from the like 0, 1, 2, and 3, I can directly pass -2. So -2 in the sense, momos is -1, juices are -2. So I'm just simply passing -2. So if I just save it and if I just hit run, see here, for me, ice cream is delicious than juices. The same output that I have got just as the same comment. So just like that, we can use whatever we wish to, but we can do some slight beautification here. What do you mean by this beautification? Like, for example, uh, I want to make this complete ice cream capital. I'm just using upper. Here also, I'm just using upper. Okay. Now, if I just save this and hit run, see here, we have got the same string, but this time with some different things like ice cream is completely in capital letters and juices is completely in capital letters. So that's how you can deploy or you can use these f strings in lists.